Prime Minister Narendra Modi today unveiled multiple development projects worth 15,000 crore rupees in West Bengal. Union Corporation Minister Amit Shah today launched the National Urban Cooperative Finance and Development Corporation Limited, the umbrella organization for the urban cooperative banks in New Delhi. Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal has said that New Delhi's procurement of food grains for distribution among the poor continues uninterrupted and without any hindrance. A tripartite agreement was signed between the centre, the state government of Tripura, and Indigenous Progressive Regional Alliance, popularly known as Tripura Motha, and other stakeholders in New Delhi. A total of 1,68,337 crore rupees gross GST revenue has been collected during February in the entire country.